If there's anything better than comedy legend John Cleese appearing on The One Show, it's John Cleese appearing on The One Show with his very own cat. Yep. That's exactly what happened on tonight's August 8 episode of the BBC One Show, as John and his daughter Camilla appeared on the show together with the actor's cat Felix in celebration of International Cat Day. And it turns out Felix isn't such a little kitty, as John, who has 3 cats in total, revealed that Felix actually weighs 12 kilos, which is about 1 stone and 8 pounds. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Related. The One Show's Alex Jones worried about losing her job while on maternity leave. He's magnificent, the Fawlty Towers star said of his Maine Coon feline friend, adding that he was just getting him nice and settled on the sofa. He's a very calm pussycat. The comedian also told hosts Alex Jones and Matt Baker that Felix had undergone a DNA test which uncovered that he was 1/16th human. Okay, but it turns out seeing John's Moggy made the perfect International Cat Day, as many took to social media to express their excitement over seeing not-so-little Felix make his big One Show debut. Advertisement. Continue reading Bella Wand. It seems the BBC show must have had a change of heart when it comes to the kitty, as the comedian tweeted earlier in the day that he'd actually been turned down when he asked to bring Felix on the show because of health and safety. My daughter Camilla and I were hoping to bring our cat Felix onto the One Show with us tonight, but this idea has been killed by health and safety, he tweeted. Why? Because they can. Well, at least Big Felix made it in the end. The One Show airs on BBC One. Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Twitter account and you're all set.